Hi everyone, this is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow lemon from cuttings. There are two systems that you can use for fast rooting the cuttings. One is the sprinkler system, second is the fogger system. I have a recent video from last week on how to set up a FOGPONICS. I hope you guys watch that video, especially for those of you who are searching for the best alternative ways for cloning the plants. So today I'm going to show you the procedure. So let's get started.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hey Pa, since you bought Marcelina's book, How to Make $50,000 a Year Backyard Gardening, how much money have we made?
Shoot, boy, I think we only made about $200 a whole doggone summer.
Well, have you read the book yet, Pa?
Shoot, I ain't got time to read no book, man. I'm back here picking beans and killing bugs.
Well, what do you think about that, Ma?
Yo, subscribe, yo.
Oh man, that's pitiful.
Oh, that's
Ma.
pitiful as all get out, Ma.
this is our video for today. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe and also don't forget to share with all your friends. See you next week. Bye bye.